Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert normal video to 4K Ultra HD in Android in CapCut video editor. So all you have to do is open your CapCut. If you don't have, you can install it from Play Store. It's free. But if you have a phones, you can join Pro. It is very good application. So you can enjoy all the services that CapCut provide. So let's start by open the projects. You can tap it, open one of your project that you want to convert. This is, for example, I want to convert this project into the 4K. So all you have to do is edit first. Maybe you want to add some effect, you want to add tags here. After you're done editing the video, you can tap on this one. As you can see, it's still HD 1080 pixel. You can slide into 4K. Restores your video to ultra high definition, but uses more memory. So is that not your problem? Just increase the resolution into the 2K or 4K here. Frame rate, go into the 60 for smoother playback. Color rate is up to you, but I suggest you to the recommended one. So after that, you have to pay attention about the file size, the estimated file size. If you set on 720p, the file estimating is 10 megabyte, but in the 4K or 2K, the file size is increased. So after that, you can export your video here. So feel free to try to convert your video into 4K. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.